Hey everyone, it's your girl Cosmic's Wonderland, and in today's video, we're going to be DIYing our very own Insta Hoe Valentine's Day outfit. So let's go ahead and get on with it.
Okay, so check this out. I made these. These are done. I did both of them. 140 rhinestones on each with the flower. Aren't these cool? They're cool. I wouldn't have taken the patience to. Well, I'm a fashion designer and I just wanted to be extra, so these are done.
Sorry about my mirror being dirty, but look at these pantyhose. I did DIY these my very own self with the beautiful rose and 140 Swarovski crystals shimmering all over these. I just have one more pair to make. I am in love. Like, drop dead, phenomenal. I cannot believe that I made these. Wow.
Oh, yeah, I forgot to tell you guys on YouTube, I totally forgot to record me making these, but I did make them, and they were just regular black pantyhose, and I safety pinned the little roses on there, and then I literally spent 4 hours gluing each individual Swarovski crystal onto the pantyhose. These are the decals that I bought, I know. And if you guys are wondering, I bought these on Amazon and they were not that expensive. I think this one was like $8. I think these were like $7.
Oh, those are decent size too.
I know. I'll be a Victoria's Secret angel. Oh, they can't see them. Okay. So there's these wings for the back. And then this for the front. These match the theme of like the gold and the silver kind of. And if we wanted to, we could add these somewhere on it. But what we're doing tonight is we're gluing this on the front and these on the back of this oversized, and I mean oversized. This is like, I mean, if I wanted it to like fit me for reals, I would have bought like a medium. I buy mediums. And this is an extra large. Actually, I thought I had bought a 2X. I bought this a month ago, and I'm telling everybody it's a 2X. It's not. Okay, well, it's perfect, but I thought it was a 2X. Anyways, so here's the front. And take some E6000 glue, just like Amber Shoal does. We're gonna glue this. Wait, how is it not? We have to get it centered. Gotta go find the tag. Okay. These do not come off. They have to like good day because the glue oozes out and it like ruins the cap. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna work in pieces. We're gonna glue these on too. Put one here and put one on the other side. Guava glue. And then we're just gonna set it down. Oh my god. Ow! It hurts! Jesus, it does. Let's just glue this one on and call it a day. Yes, that's good. Trash. Okay, this one needs to face up and it needs to go here.
You guys saw me create this outfit. Now I want to show you the final look. So these are my wedding shoes. I wore these on my wedding day. Super shiny, super pretty. They definitely, if you can tell, match the wings in the back. And it's super cute. It turned out awesome. I love the pantyhose. They each have 140 Swarovski crystals glued on. They were a bit to make. It took 4 hours, about 2 hours for each one. But I did it. And I think that this looks amazing. I'm super happy with it. Amber Scholl, I'm coming to take your spot as a DIY fashionista.
Where's your shit?
I have on black shorts. This is an Insta Hoe Valentine's outfit. I got my shorts on underneath. It's extremely short, but super cute. I love how this turned out. Oh my god, I'm so happy with it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay fantabulous, and as always, I will stay fantabulous for you guys.